Everybody, a lot of you have been asking how to use these static heel straps. So if you want to ground in the winter, or if you want to ground when you can't take your shoes off, you can actually get grounding right through your shoes, no matter whether they have rubber soles or not, using a static heel strap. So a lot of people use these in microlithography, photolithography labs to make silicone chips. They have to be in these special lab environments with no static, so they wear these to ground themselves so they don't build up a static charge. You can use the same thing. It's called a static heel strap, so you look it up on Amazon. Really easy to put on. So you basically undo the Velcro. This one's obviously very used. This goes on your heel. So you take your heel, you put this on, Velcro it over the top of your shoe with a Velcro, so now you can see that it's on my foot, touching the ground, and this is the grounding strap. So this, no matter what kind of socks or no socks, you just get this to touch your skin or your foot. So I tuck it inside my sock, right here. Now I'm grounded to my skin and to my shoe. That's all there is to it, super easy.